Looking for expert garage door services in College Station, Texas? You've come to the right place. BCS Overhead Door is here to cater to all your garage door needs. We are a full-service garage door company specializing in keeping your garage door operating smoothly and safely. Whether you need a repair, replacement, maintenance, or even a brand new door installation, our team of experts is here to help. Complete garage door solutions for your home or business here at BCS Overhead Door. We understand that your garage door is more than just an entry point. It plays a vital role in the security, convenience, and even curb appeal of your property. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of services to address all your garage door needs. Our experienced technicians can diagnose and fix any issue with your garage door, from broken springs and faulty openers to malfunctioning sensors and worn-out tracks. We use high-quality parts and ensure long-lasting repairs to keep your garage door functioning reliably. Thinking about upgrading your garage door? We offer a wide variety of garage door styles and materials to choose from, including steel, fiberglass, and insulated options. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future problems and extending the lifespan of your garage door. Our technicians can perform a thorough inspection, lubricate all moving parts, adjust spring tension if needed, and identify any potential issues before they become major problems. We know that a malfunctioning garage door can be a real hassle. That's why we prioritize fast and reliable service. Whenever possible, we offer same-day service to get your garage door back up and running quickly. We are a fully insured company, and all our technicians are highly trained and experienced. So, whether you need a simple repair or a complete garage door overhaul, you can trust BCS Overhead Door to get the job done right. Don't wait until your garage door becomes a major inconvenience. Contact BCS Overhead Door today for a free consultation or to schedule a service appointment. Call us at 979-218-9213 or visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching.